Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to remove the seam line from the canopy and how to polish it to a crystal clear finish. As you can see here, some kits have this annoying seam line right across the canopy. Let's jump straight into the process. To prevent any stress cracks, I'm using a heated blade to carefully cut the canopy away from the frame by melting the plastic points. I'm applying masking tape on both sides of the seam line. By doing this, I ensure that I'm only sanding a minimal area, protecting the rest of the canopy. Now, I'm soaking a piece of 800 grit sandpaper in water to soften it, and wrapping it around a small wooden block. I carefully sand down the seam line without damaging the masking tape. If the masking tape starts to wear out, the canopy will be next. Replace the tape immediately. Then, I repeat the process with Tamiya's 2000 grit sponge. I'll wipe away the dust with a damp cloth and remove the masking tape. It's crucial to clean the dust underneath, as they can cause deeper scratches later on. Now, I'm switching to a finer grit, 4000 or higher, to sand a wider area, including the previous section. Don't worry, this grit is so fine it won't leave any permanent scratches on the glass. Now I'm starting with tamiya coarse compound. Using a tamiya polishing sponge, I spread it over the sanded area. I'm spending a bit more time here to make sure the compound gets into even the smallest scratches. With circular motions, I polish the seam line first, then expand to the entire canopy. As you can see, the frosted look is starting to disappear. Next, I cleaned off the dust with a damp cloth. It's crucial to wipe away these particles after every step. After wiping away the excess with a damp cloth, I use a piece of old denim fabric to continue polishing. This is one of my favorite tools. It has a great polishing effect on its own. Now it's time for fine compound. I repeat the same process. And with every polishing layer, the canopy gets clearer. It looks good already. But for that crystal clear finish, I'll use Tamiya finish compound directly with the denim cloth. Starting from where the seam line was, I'm polishing the entire canopy by working my way out to the sides. Finally, I used Tamiya wax on a denim fabric to remove any remaining residue. And there's the result. I hope you found this helpful. In case you're wondering, this canopy is for my next model, the F15EX. The full video for that build is currently in the final stages of editing. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.